Hi, so this is just a video about smoke alarms. So how many of you have checked your smoke alarm in the past month or so? I bet none of you, or some of you might have, maybe. But these, they should be checked, regularly to make sure that they're working. They should also be, you should also be aware, and a lot of people they're not aware of this, that they should be changed every 10 years. All smoke alarms have a shelf life of 10 years. Did you know that? Well, you do now. Okay, so on the bottom of your smoke alarm, you can take it, if they're hardwired, the best ones are, because they're reliable. But if they're hardwired, some of them have the date around the sides, which is convenient, obviously, because you can see it. But some of them you have to take it down from the ceiling, and you'll see that there's a date on the bottom, right on there. This is mine, so I'll check. Does it work? Yes, it does. And when I push this button, the other one up on the landing sounds as well, because they are interlinked. They're linked. There are 3 cables usually on a smoke alarm: the live, the link, if you like, to the next alarm, and then the neutral. These, I've lost what I was saying. What was I saying? These are obviously hardwired. They have a battery. There's a 9-volt battery in them, so you need to make sure that's working. So if there's a power cut, for example, shut up. If there's a battery, stupid Siri. If it's got a battery in it, then if it goes dead and there's a power cut, then your alarm won't go. But if the battery is okay, then it will go. I always install the ones with lithium batteries, so that they have built-in batteries, so you don't need to keep changing it. So they're a lot safer. I recommend those. But yeah, if you've not checked your fire alarm in a few months or even years, do check it now and just make sure. Okay. Here's a quick video that I did just on site, just to link up with this one. Hi, so today I'm up a ladder and I'm replacing these fire alarms, and what a lot of people don't realise is that they should actually be replaced every 10 years. And on the bottom of the alarm there, if you can just see, there's a date there, and this one should be replaced on June the 3rd, 2023. Now that's pretty good timing. This one had actually gone faulty, so the customer called me out, but didn't realise that you had to replace all 3 at the same time. I'm replacing them with these optical smoke alarms, which have a battery built in, which is a pretty good replacement. But you just got to make sure that all of the cables, because there's an interlinked cable here, the neutral and the brown, but this one here links the alarms together. Yeah, so I'm going to replace those, but do check your fire alarms and make sure that they're in date. And obviously, every few months or so, check that they're all working together. If the alarms are linked, when you push the button on one, all of them just sound, so make sure that they're doing that as well. Yeah, so I'm just about to put this one up, and you can see on this one, the date is replaced by May 2034. So this has got 10 years, so they've all got 10 years. And these ones as well, just they just slot on quite nicely. So let me see if I can. There we go. And that's now up there, and all I've got to do is supply the power, and then that one will be linked with the other one. Happy days.